Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2017 Lancer. Lancer's advanced transmissions, MIVEC engines, and racing-inspired magnesium paddle shifters make every twist and turn an opportunity for fun. Combine that with 7 standard airbags and you'll see that safety and exhilaration come standard and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.